Friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Hytale game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuck on loading screen, not loading, or several other issues on PC. So let's find the solutions. Well, the very first method is to check the system requirements. This is very important to check whether you can play it or not on your system. So make sure check the system requirements. So for that, you can go to the download option over here, and after that go below. Here are the system requirements to play the game. Both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. Check it, and after that try to launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next method is to restart your PC once. So for that, click on Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, you can simply go to the search option. Search for Hytale launcher, and here you can see it's telling run as administrator. Simply click on it, or simply you just open the file location, and from here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here you have to select run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check if the game is opening or launching or not. If not, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, and after that click on apply and OK, and now check if the game is launching or not. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen automatizations, click on apply and OK, and now try to launch the game and check. But if the issue continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to verify game files. So you should verify the game files, as it repairs any corrupted or missing files, and after that try to log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update your graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description, and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings and search for the game. If you cannot find the game over here, you have to click on allow another app. After that, click on browse and then go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After that, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Once done, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to check if your system or if your Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for settings. After that, click on Windows Update, click on check for updates. This will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to stop overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. So if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background, then you are suggested to disable it or stop it, and after that try to launch the game and check. Next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application. After selecting the application, you have to click on the arrow icon of the game, and after that make sure your GPU preference is selected as high performance. Once done, now launch the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already provided the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. After the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link. Once the Visual C++ files is downloaded, open it. Now click on repair or install, whatever option you get, click on yes, wait for some time. After you get setup successful message over here, close this. After that, restart your PC and again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to close background apps. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now here you have to check if any apps is running in the background without any use. If yes, you have to select them and have to close them. So simply select it, right click on it, and then click on end task. So this will completely close the app that is running in the background. Once you have done this, now launch the game and check. Next is to lower the graphic settings of the game. So most of the time the graphics settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, and many others. So you are suggested to lower the graphics settings, and after that try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that you have to first delete the game and again reinstall it. Go to the search option, search for settings. After that, here you have to click on apps option, click on installed apps, and here you have to search for the game. So search for Hytale, and here is the game application. Click on the three dot icon and then click on uninstall. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that you have to restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, again go to the Hytale website and download the game and install it, and after that try to play the game and check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So using these methods, fix Hytale game crashing, crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.